Have you ever really, truly stopped to think about what happens on Christmas Eve? I mean, beyond the presents and the holiday cheer. We're talking about what might just be the single biggest, fastest, and most mind-blowing distribution operation in history. So today, let's pull back the curtain a little bit and investigate the incredible mechanics of Santa's global mission. First, let's just wrap our heads around the numbers, because they are staggering. We're talking about delivering gifts to over 2 billion kids. That's billions of different stops, all across the globe, all in just one night. The sheer scale of that is almost impossible to imagine. And that, right there, is the big question, isn't it? How does one man, one entity, pull it all off? Are we looking at some kind of timeless, ancient magic? Or is this a level of technology so advanced that to us, it might as well be magic? Let's dive into some of the most fascinating theories out there. Okay, so any huge operation starts with the supply chain. You can't deliver the goods if you don't have the goods in the first place. So our investigation has to begin right at the source, that legendary workshop at the North Pole. So how in the world do they produce billions of unique toys every single year? Well, there are kind of two competing ideas here. The classic theory, the one we all know and love, points to elven magic, right? Where every single toy is handmade with a little bit of enchantment. But there's a more modern idea that speculates about hyper-advanced technology. Think nanofabrication or 3D printing on a scale we can't even dream of. All right, let's say the gifts are made. That's one huge hurdle down. But now we face an even bigger challenge, the delivery itself. And this is where the whole operation seems to just shatter the laws of physics as we know them. We all have that picture in our heads, right? The sleigh, the reindeer, it's classic. But to cover the entire planet in one night, could that sleigh be something more? What if it's a piece of highly advanced technology, just cloaked in a familiar, festive disguise? And this is where the theories get really, really wild. Some people speculate that Santa uses something like quantum teleportation, which would let him be in many places at pretty much the same time. Others suggest he's navigating by opening and closing wormholes, basically taking shortcuts through space-time. Or, maybe the sleigh is just a UFO-like craft that can move at impossible speeds. But, getting from continent to continent is only one part of the problem. Once he arrives, there's another major logistical hurdle. The point of entry. How does he get inside millions and millions of different homes, especially since most of them don't even have a chimney anymore? And here we go again. It's that split between magic and science. The traditional answer, of course, is that he magically slips down the chimney, but the more out there scientific theory suggests something else entirely. A personal, stabilized wormhole for each and every house, giving him instant access from the sleigh right to the tree. Now, this whole operation isn't just about making toys and flying around the world. There's a massive intelligence-gathering component that the whole thing relies on, the famous naughty or nice list. Seriously, think about this. This is a data collection problem that would make every single tech company on Earth jealous. How does Santa monitor the behavior of over 2 billion kids, analyze all that data, and keep his list updated in real time? See, that list, it's more than just a piece of paper. It represents a kind of omniscience, a total awareness. Whether it's powered by some magical global consciousness or a quantum computing network that's beyond our wildest dreams, this data collection might just be the most powerful part of the whole operation. Now, when you have an operation this massive and this secret, it's gonna get some attention. So it's really no surprise that for decades now, people have actually tried to follow along. Let's talk about the real-world efforts to track Santa's amazing journey. And that question leads us straight to the NORAD Tracks Santa program. Yeah, for decades, this actual military command has used its incredibly powerful tracking technology to follow Santa's flight path on Christmas Eve. It's turned this logistical mystery into a really beloved global tradition. After all the talk about physics and quantum data and wormholes, it's really easy to get lost in all the technical details. But at the end of the day, it's not really about how the mission gets done, it's about why. And the message behind it all is actually incredibly simple. So in the end, we're left with this really fun question. Is Santa Claus a master of some ancient, powerful magic? Or is he the greatest physicist, engineer, and data scientist the world has ever known? Maybe the real magic is that either way, the job gets done every single year.